Okay, YouTube, how you doing? I just recently posted some restream videos using the restream IO. For those of you who are familiar with that, comment please, because this whole deal about live streaming or streaming, this isn't a live video. I'm going to record this and then upload it. So you're seeing it after I'm not going to edit it or anything. It's just a quick video. But when you're doing the live streaming, that's live and you guys can interact with people. Like, in other words, if I'm doing a workout video or a DJ session, live set, and I'm going to use Restream, right now I just have the free version, but I'm going to eventually upgrade when I figure out how to use it. I don't want to pay for it if I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But when I upgrade, I'm going to get the professional version. I don't know how much it costs, but it's not that much. But right now I have the free version just because I'm learning. But for those of you who do use Restream, if you're a DJ or if you're a content creator or if you do workouts or even church services, whatever you use it for, and if you come across this video and you have some information about it that would help the channel, help me out personally, but I'll share the knowledge as well. Please comment, man, and like and subscribe, and I'll do the same. Meantime, it seems like that is the way that things are headed. Where there's no way around it. Is that we're going to be, using third-party services like OBO or Restream, or there's some others out there. I chose Restream, and I'll see how it works. And so far, so good. I mean, it's free, and I'm learning. It's a new process, new learning process. But there's two or three basic reasons for me to use live streaming through Restream. Um, Health and fitness, DJing, and spiritual, talking about specifically Bible learning. So I want to do some sharing of the word and get feedback, because when you do Restream live stream, it's interactive, it's live, so you can have content coming back to you from people, feedback. And if it's about the workouts, somebody can be like, hey, can you do that again, or how many push-ups is that, or what do you normally eat, and you get the feedback. It's interactive, kind of like Zoom, right? And then with DJing, while I'm spinning my music, if there's another DJ out there who's asking me questions, I could be like, oh yeah, I'm using this effect, or you want to hear me mix, or do you guys want to, how am I going to do this? Do you want to see me do this or mix this way or scratch or whatever, right? And then I can pay attention to the screen while I'm doing my DJing, in the mix, and I'm getting feedback live. And that's cool. So that's why I think as a DJ, it's important. Restream is, or live streaming is big, because you want to make sure that you're not getting flagged for copyright rules and so forth. So if you get the paid version, you can play musical content that normally would be muted. Now you don't have to worry about that. At least that's how I'm understanding it to be. If I'm wrong, talk to me. So DJing, live sessions, boom, that's one way for me to use Restream. The other one is fitness, health and fitness, workouts, nutrition, and interactivity with people. And the other one is Bible study, Bible talks, where people can actually communicate, share their stories, their spiritual journey, and input their knowledge of the Bible as I talk about Bible stories, lessons from the Bible, read scriptures, and interact with other believers out there. Obviously, you guys, I'm a Christian. I'm a disciple of Jesus. Basically, I follow the Lord. He's my savior. Now, I love DJing. I love health and fitness, but I love Jesus the most. So these are the big things with me. Also, I like to talk about videography and photography, because it all encompasses this whole YouTube thing. How do you get your content out there? I'm using my cell phone for this video, but obviously I have a gimbal, so I can use that for filming. It keeps things stable. You know how gimbals work. You put the phone in there, turn this bad boy on, and then it locks into place and goes through all this whole thing. I'm gonna turn it off for right now, but DJI Osmo 3. Look it up, because that's a whole other video, because there's a lot of stuff with that. Right now I'm using my Gorilla stand. It's like a tripod, flexible, and so that's what this phone. So I'm hands-free. I'm usually like this, and I have to talk like that because I'm holding the phone. So this is kind of cool. So I'm constantly trying to up my YouTube game to be more professional looking, and any input from you guys is always welcome. So constructive criticism, much love and respect to you guys. Please give me some constructive criticism. If it's thumbs up, cool. If it's thumbs down, cool. Just, always show some love and respect towards everybody. We can always correct each other and say, hey man, you could do this better, or why don't you try this? Stuff like that, right? So that's what this video is basically talking about, because I want to do a lot more videos, and I want to do a lot better quality videos with editing and sound, and put my mark on there and brand it to me for my DJing services, my fitness services, and again, the Bible talk. So those are the three big deals for me. Talk to me about Restream if you guys know something. This is all new to me. But meantime, I'm just going to post this video to YouTube, because I'm reaching out to everybody out there, whoever you guys are that follow and watch my videos. If you know anything about live streaming and Restream, or just live streaming in general, holler at your boy, man. And that's pretty much it. Now, tomorrow's December 7th. It's the anniversary of the attack on Pearl Harbor in 1941, December 7th. So I will say today, Semper Fidelis to all those people that lost their lives, that brought the United States into World War II. And I'm going to do something tomorrow to show some remembrance of that. Just like we remember 9/11, December 7th holds a special place in my heart too, especially as a U.S. Marine. So Restream, tell me what you know, and let's help each other, all right? Keep the faith, keep spinning. Staff Sergeant Calhoun from Whittier, also known as DJ 50cal. Love and respect to you guys. Peace.